The Aivituvin? The Kitty City or Homey pet? Perhaps the MidWest Cat Playpen or the Outback Jack? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top cat cage playpens available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. If you consider their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 cat cage playpens. The 5th product on this list is the Outback Jack Kitty Compound Playhouse. As loving pet parents, it's our responsibility to create safe and fun play spaces for our fur babies to explore and play without hurting themselves. Just like how we build playhouses for our human kids, pets need their own space too. That's where the Outback Jack Kitty Compound Playhouse comes in. With over 30 square feet of play space, your furry feline can roam free and play to their heart's content, both inside and outside. If your kitty loves playing outside, you need a cat cage playpen to ensure their safety. This perfectly designed unit is big enough to accommodate multiple cats, a bed, food tray, litter box, and toys, so that your cats can socialize and bond with each other. The mesh design ensures that they won't suffocate while getting a good view of their surroundings. The Outback Jack Kitty Compound Playhouse is also a fortress that keeps your cats safe from predators and bugs, while you can take care of your daily chores without worrying about them. It's super easy to set up, foldable, and comes with a carry bag, so you can bring it with you to the park or any outdoor activities. Plus, it's a great conversation starter. Oh, this? It's just my cat's castle. It's just like creating your own cat adventure park, where your furry friends can run, chase, and play all day long. The best part? You get to be the hero who created a cat paradise for your beloved feline friends. Its pros are: the mesh fabric allows maximum air into the playhouse and gives your pet 360-degree visibility. Its 30 square feet space is large enough for more than one cat, and the lightweight and foldable design makes it convenient to carry around. However, its cons are: the zippers can be better, and you can only attach the tunnel to one side of the tent. The tent and tunnel design of the Outback Jack Kitty Compound Playhouse makes it a perfect fit for parents who want a single cage playpen to keep the cats and other little pets separately while providing a spacious and fun environment for them. Up next in 4th place is the Kitty City Outdoor Mega Kit. Cats need a large dedicated space to truly be themselves and express their wild side. However, it's not always safe to just let them roam around the neighborhood. So whether you have an indoor play space or a backyard, the Kitty City Outdoor Mega Kit is the perfect cage playpen for your feline friends. It's a secure and safe environment where your kitty can play, and you can keep an eye on them while you go about your daily activities. No more worrying about your little furball getting into trouble or being chased by dogs and coyotes. Moreover, this unit is a single playhouse with all-around visibility and plenty of space for your kitten to play. The mesh design allows fresh air to circulate, and you can easily keep an eye on your little tiger as they run, jump, and climb around. Plus, it's durable enough to withstand even the sharpest claws. Our favorite feature is the removable cubby cubes that you can rearrange in different ways each time you set up the playpen. Your kitty can curl up and rest, or take a nap after an adventurous playtime in the cubby, which has a wide opening for easy access. And if you have more than one cat, there's enough room for them to play, hide, and chase each other around. The zipper entrance not only lets your kitty enter and exit the playhouse, but also allows you to sneak in and grab your fur baby when they don't want to come out. You can also attach a tunnel to the playhouse to make it even bigger and more fun. Trust us, your furry friend will love their new playground, and you'll love watching them play. Its pros are: it has enough space for multiple cats, the cubby cubes make a perfect curly spot for your cats to rest or take a nap, and the breathable mesh fabric is durable. However, the setup can be a bit tricky and time-consuming at first. The Kitty City Outdoor Mega Kit's spacious design makes it perfect for homes with 2 or more cats that could use a roomy feline jungle gym to play. Still haven't found a cat cage playpen that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the MidWest Cat Playpen. Are you tired of your mischievous kittens getting into everything while you're trying to work or relax? Look no further than the MidWest Cat Playpen. This metal playpen is perfect for isolating an injured or sick pet or introducing a new kitten to the family. Plus, it provides a fun and safe environment for your furry friends to play in. One of the best features of this playpen is the 4 lockable caster wheels. You can easily move the playpen around, even with your cats inside, without the whole thing collapsing. And once you lock those wheels, the playpen stays put, no matter how much your energetic kittens jump and pounce. Unlike other units, this playpen is made of sturdy metal wires with a black coating to prevent rusting. It also comes equipped with 2 cabinet-style doors on the top and bottom for easy access, 3 adjustable resting platforms, and a leak-proof plastic pan that's a breeze to clean. You can even slide in your cat's litter box and 2 extra beds, since you get a free bed with this unit. Cleaning up after your cats has never been easier. Just remove the plastic pan and wash it. Collapse the cage down to a convenient 5-inch height for storage, and voila! Your living room is no longer a war zone of cat toys and scratch posts. Its pros are: the metal wire frame makes it durable, the 2 large cabinet-style front doors with latches provide easy access, and you can easily collapse the cage for convenient storage. However, its size and weight make it difficult for one person to set up alone. Pet parents who sometimes want to keep their adventurous cats confined to a more manageable space that can accommodate their litter box, food bowl, and mortar bowl will find the MidWest Cat Playpen an ideal option. The second product on this list is the Homey Pet Folding Wire Habitat Crate. If you're looking for a product similar to the MidWest Cat Playpen but with enhanced features, the Homey Pet is an excellent option. One of its notable features is the 2 plastic shelves with wire ladders connecting from the bottom tray to the first shelf and from the first shelf to the second, providing ample space for 2 cats, chinchillas, ferrets, or other small animals to play indoors or outdoors in a safe and secure environment. The metal frames make the cage durable, and with the lockable caster wheels, you can conveniently move it from indoors to outdoors. What's more, the cage has 3 doors, providing easy access to different parts of the cage as your pets come and go. Cleaning the playpen is also hassle-free, as you can easily pull out the bottom tray for cleaning. The cage can be collapsed and folded into a box for convenient storage, and the best part is that you don't need any special tools to assemble it. Highly rated by users, the Cat Cage Playpen is a must-have for pet owners who want to keep their pets safe and happy. Its pros are: the lockable caster wheels offer more convenience for moving the cage, it is foldable and easy to set up without any tools needed, and it has 3 doors, making it effortless to access your furry friends inside or to replace things like food, water, and litter trays. However, there's a little play in the center bottom of the unit, creating a gap where it is possible for cats under 5 pounds to squeeze out if they really want to. The dual shelves and wire ladders make the Homey Pet Folding Wire Habitat a suitable fit for pet parents looking for a comfortable and safe shelter for their cats. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top cat cage playpen is the Aivituvin Air22, introducing the ultimate cat playpen that is second to none. With its spacious design, it can accommodate up to 3 cats. And if that's not enough, you can even join 2 units together for more play area. This product features 3 platforms and a cozy resting house for your furry friends to relax in after an exciting day of play. One of the most fantastic features of the Air22 is its easy accessibility. Both the top and the bottom sections have doors, so you can quickly get inside to maintain and clean it. Additionally, this product is built to last. Made from cypress fur, it's resistant to weather elements, and the waterproof asphalt roof ensures that it stays durable even on your patio. Although it doesn't have a 360-degree view like mesh playpens, your cats still get a clear view of everything around them. Cleaning and maintaining the Aivituvin Air22 are also a breeze, thanks to the wide access doors and removable PVC bottom layer. One of the best parts about this playpen is that it's mobile. With caster wheels, you can effortlessly move it from one spot to another, and once you find the perfect location, you can lock 2 wheels in place for stability. Don't settle for a mediocre cat playpen when you can have the best of the best. Get the Aivituvin Air22 today, and give your feline friends the play area they deserve. Its pros are: the asphalt roof is fully waterproof, you can join 2 units together to make a larger playpen for multiple cats, it has 2 large doors for easy access, and the PVC bottom is removable for easy cleaning. However, it takes a while to put together even with power tools. Multi-cat parents will find the Aivituvin Air22 the perfect cat playpen thanks to its durable build and innovative design. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.